Hey, it's me, Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we're in Marathon Key, one of the Florida Keys, and we are at Sombrero Beach. We're just going to take a quick look around. So there's a sidewalk here and a couple little pavilions with picnic tables. We're going to walk along the beach. And there are several of these bridges. Let's call this the first one. I don't know. Maybe 6. So the beach ends right there. There's a channel going up. There's some houses. So we're going to go this way. The beach is pretty thin and the water's pretty murky. I mean, it looks. Maybe because it's stirred up. I'm not sure where we're gonna go. It's crowded though. All right. So, I don't know. Does that water look murky to you? Can you see my feet? Whoa.
Do you see what these kids are doing? They're making their own helmet.
I see that. Be careful.
Okay, wait, watch out for this. You can go under and look.
Diving helmet.
It's harder to do by yourself. I know. Kind of need someone else. Let's go! Deep. We're going deep. Jeremy said you wanted to go deep.
Did she? That bent?
They're not harmful.
Yeah.
No more. No more. Austin, no more.
Mom says no more. And they stopped immediately. So here's the bridge. We're gonna go this way on the beach. So the bridge is over there. We walked up the beach, down the beach. There's a section of this. Of course, there's not much sand here either. And then another point of coral. So there it is. I don't see anybody sitting around on the coral though, but there are people out there snorkeling. I'm thinking it's not very good though. That water is not very clear, but it goes way down there. There's another point and another part of the beach. So there's the beach. There's a bridge down there that we came through originally. There's a bridge right here, probably several more. But there's bathrooms, showers. Well, we're parked right over there. So these parks all connect the grassy area. Pavilions, playground. Let's go look at that. So it looks like mulch. So it's not too comfortable on my bare feet. In fact, I'm going to get out of it. There's another bridge. There's one right there. There's probably one around this bend. That looks like more bathrooms. It's Paradise Island. Look at that. It's probably hotter than heck. There was the playground. Those are bathrooms. More bridges. Couple sand volleyball courts. And more beach around the side there. I think that beach might have a different name though. beach volleyball courts and the bathrooms. Playground's right there. Another bridge. I think this is a public viewing platform, a pier, dock, whatever. Not much beach here. I mean, it's a pile of rocks. There's water on this side though, but nobody wants to go here, I guess. So I came out on this pier. Of course, there's sandy beach right there. One of the many channels. Very picturesque, though. So there's the dock you can walk out on. Not a lot of people out here because there's not a sand beach. It's all coral. But I thought I'd take you out here. And there's the stretch of beach. Of course, we're way down at the end. And a lot of seaweed rotting in the sun. But it doesn't smell, at least not right now. There's actually a little wave action here. See that? I think it's a bogus shore break, but I don't know. Might be able to ride. Maybe there's waves here occasionally that are bigger, better.